Hi, this is Electronics. In this video I will tear down a Nintendo Entertainment System or NES. NES is a home video game console made by Nintendo. This was one of the most famous home console of that era, also overtook the PC game market. I show you the sticker on the bottom of the console where you can find a lot of information. This console was made in 1985 and it is from Italy. Let's start to take it apart. On the bottom, 6 screws are holding the console together. These must be removed. I speed up the video while I take it apart. A side note here, the whole console is assembled with Phillips head screws, so be sure you have a good screwdriver. The 6 screws which are holding the console together are in deep holes, so be sure your screwdriver is long enough. Now that the console is open, I make close-up shots of the interior parts. These are the connections for the controllers. Here is the power supply circuit with the big 2200 microfarad capacitor and the audio-video connectors. That's the 5-volt regulator. The power and the reset buttons. Last but not least, here is the cartridge slot. The game cartridge is placed here. Next up, another 6 screws has to be removed in order to take off the metal housing. I show you where these screws are. The metal housing is down, more parts can be seen inside, also the circuits are visible too. I show you these parts, I make more close-up shots. The next task is to take out the whole circuit board from the plastic house. Only a few more screws has to be taken out. The whole circuit board is out, so I can show you more details of it. If you want to reach the bottom of the circuit, where the ICs can be found, then this blue connector must be disconnected. After that, the protective metal sheet comes off easily. In this box you can find the power supply, video and audio output circuits. The cover has to be popped off and the interior becomes visible. Inside you can find a fairly easy circuit. If you have a problem with the console and it doesn't turn on, then here you should start to check for problem. Also check the 5V regulator. That's all for this video. In the next teardown video I will take apart another video game console. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss it.